Get your girls and guys looking bomb and slaying for the summer season because I'm ready to look good even though I got a sweater on. Hey guys, it's your girl Rachael J and I am back with another video. I'm so excited for today's video because it has been a while. It's been literally like months since I've done like a sit in front of the camera and sit down talk video with you guys. We need to get back on track. We need to get back with our one-on-one relationship, you guys. I don't know, I just feel like it's so much more fun, honestly, in my opinion, to do a sit down and talk video with you guys and just be able to talk to you guys on a more personal level than doing like a voiceover. It's not like that. As you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing my favorites video. I'm really excited to do this video today because I have been waiting so long to actually get down to the nitty-gritty over these products with you guys. A few of these products have literally been, well, actually all of them have become my holy grail. Like literally. So without the chit chat or whatever, let's get right into this video. So I do have some skincare products and some makeup products. I'm really excited to talk to you guys about these products. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, of course, you guys. Also, don't forget to follow me. I don't know why I keep doing this, like. Don't forget to also subscribe to my social media platforms. All of them will be down below. So without further ado, let's get into this video. I'm so excited. I get to tell you guys how they work and how much I like them and enjoy them. First, I want to talk to you guys about TwoFace. I have literally been loving TwoFace lately. TwoFace and Tarte have literally just been giving me so much life with their products lately. First product that I'm going to talk about from TwoFace is the Hangover Primer, the Hangover 3-in-1 Primer. Baby. These two products are a duo. I'm going to talk about these two products. I'm going to talk about them separately and together. The Hangover Primer is literally the best pore filler I have ever, I was about to say met. I love you, Hangover, marry me.
Literally gets rid of your pores.
So it not only primes your skin and preps your skin for makeup, but you can also use it to minimize your pores. This stuff works so much magic. I promise you guys, it is literally worth the pretty penny that you spend on it. And with this product, I highly recommend getting the 3-in-1 Hangover setting spray. It's also the 3-in-1, so not only does it set your makeup, but it also hydrates your skin, and it also works as a pore minimizer. Even if you can't afford to get like both products, in my opinion, you're going to end up getting both products. You can go to Ulta and get the mini bottle if you want to save money and you can't afford getting both at once. You can definitely start off by getting the setting spray because it works as a primer as well. My next duo, Tarte Shape Tape, is the perfect setting base. You literally do not need to put on the setting powder at all on your eyes. Not only does it make your eyeshadow last all day, you don't have any creases, and also the colors come out way more vibrant. The other concealer that I'm going to talk to you guys about is the Radiant Creamy Concealer by Nars. Literally been my holy grail. That's why I couldn't wait to use it in a video and also talk to you guys about it, because you do not need a lot of this product. One thing that I do love about this duo, Tarte and Nars, they both set in your skin and you don't have to use a lot of it. Next thing I'm going to talk about is this Nars duo, and I am literally obsessed with it. I have it on my face right now. This highlight is Fort de France. It's such a pretty champagne color. This and this blush, Orgasm, is your go-to. Orgasm blush is so pretty. Like, it's a really pretty pink color. It's not doing too much. I have it on right now. And the thing I love about this highlight and this blush, it goes hand in hand. You can see it on my face right now. It literally looks so subtle. Like, I don't have on too much makeup, but your girl looks beat. The next product I'm going to be talking about is the Becca foundation. I also have been using this like holy grail And the reason why I say that is I'm always the type of person looking for a new product to try out, something that can make my makeup look way more popping, way more slayed, way more set in my face. And I have literally been using it like no other. I'm almost out and I'm so upset because it has the best coverage ever. Purchased it for about 40 something bucks, so it's not too bad, especially with the amount that you get. One thing that I'm obsessed with, that you don't have to use so much. If you guys paid attention to my last makeup tutorial, I definitely use this. So if you're looking for a really good cream foundation that gives you really good coverage, lasts all day, Becca is the way to go. The last makeup product that I'm going to talk to you guys about is another TwoFace product. I have literally been obsessed with TwoFace, y'all. This is one of the melted matte lipsticks, and I love this stuff so much. I actually have a Nars matte lipstick that is kind of, well, lip gloss that is kind of like around the same shade, a neutral brown color. The reason why I'm obsessed with it, the other day I was eating and tearing up this food, and after I was done, my lipstick was still on. I have it on my lips right now. If you guys know and been watching my videos for a while, in order to make my lips look a little bit plumper than they actually are, I just take a little bit of my concealer, and yes, I use the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and put a little bit in the middle of my lips, rub them together, and achieve this look. And of course, this was the matte I used, and I just love this stuff because it literally lasts 24 hours. So let's get into these skincare products. I first want to talk about this Mario Badescu product because it not only is a skincare product, it's like a makeup product as well. If you guys know anything about me, I've been using Mario Badescu for a little over a year now. I always like to try different sprays because they have like the aloe vera one, which is green, the rose water one, which is the previous one you guys know was my holy grail for like a year. And now I am on to the chamomile and lavender. Unlike the rose water hydrates your face, but this one literally works as a 3-in-1, you guys. Not only does it prep your face for your makeup, it also refreshes your face if you've been having makeup on all day. So if you're looking for a setting spray that is not a pretty penny that you're spending, I promise you this is the best setting spray, and the big bottle is only like $12. I use this stuff so faithfully. Like, I use it all day. Like, I use it when I wake up to like wake up my face. I don't care how affordable it is, this is a high-end product and you need to get it now. The next thing that I'm going to be talking about is Lulu Naturals. If you guys watched my skincare routine on my beauty secrets, I have literally been obsessed with her products. Shout out to you, girl. She is a local owner of the company Lulu Naturals, and all of her products are natural and organic. I tried to talk about it a little bit in my skincare routine video, but I wasn't really able to get like deep in depth with it, so I'm really excited to talk to you guys about this product. Well, these products. First, I'm going to talk about her body butters. If you guys want to purchase any of Lulu Naturals, I will link it down below. So if you only use organic products and you're looking for something affordable, she does have an online site, so I will link it in this video. So first, I'm going to talk about the honey butter. Not only do I put this in my weave, my natural hair, but I also put it on my skin. When I tell you, after I wash my face, it literally makes my skin feel like butter. Like, not a baby's bottom, like butter. Smells amazing. That's the thing I love about all her products. They're organic and they smell so good. You can apply it to your body right after you take a shower. Your pores are open. This product is another product that I can tell you guys, it's such a great moisturizer. All of the body butters, they're such great moisturizers that they go a long way. So you do not have to use so much of it like you would with a regular lotion. And she also has the ingredients of the products on the product. The next product by Lulu Naturals I'm going to be talking about, this is the strawberry body scrub, and I'm obsessed with it. Like, it's not only for your face, but it's also for the rest of your body. So if you feel like you're that type of person that your elbows get dry, or the soles of your feet tend to get dry, or even your hands tend to get dry, this is the scrub that does wonders. You don't want to use this every day. It works as an exfoliant. So in my opinion, if you want exfoliant, you want to use it once or twice a week. This product I've been using for a very long time. If you guys have been watching my channel, you guys know that black castor oil is my holy grail.
I'll give you $1.50. $1.50.
It has so many uses. The main uses I use it for is after I wash my face. Like I said, I tend to have combination skin, so sometimes even washing my face dries out my skin. So using something like black castor oil immediately after I wash my face while my pores are still open, letting it, you know, sink in and get deep into my pores. Also, the thing I love about this stuff, it's been literally growing my eyebrows out. Even if you're trying to grow your nails or your cuticles are always dry, this stuff works for so many uses. I cannot stress it enough. It has vitamins A, D, and E in it, and you need all three of those vitamins for your skin and for your hair to stay healthy. The last product I'm going to talk to you guys about, if you guys have been seeing the L'Oreal campaigns lately, they have a new pure clay mask, and I am obsessed with it. My mom put me on this stuff. This is actually hers, so shout out to you, Mom. This mask is the type of mask that you want to use on your skin if you tend to have dry skin. It also works for a combination skin, but for your dry skin cells, just to bring your skin back to life. Even though it's not an exfoliant, you don't want to use this every day. I try to dumb down as much times as I use the mask, just because you don't need it as much as you would a cleanser or face moisturizer. After I used this stuff and I used it with the rest of my skincare routine, my face literally felt like butter. I cannot stress it enough. This is a drugstore product. As you guys know, L'Oreal is not like a high-end product, so it's very affordable. I love this kind of stuff because you can use it on the go. You can use it if you're traveling. So if you guys are looking for a pure clay mask that is affordable but also pretty high-end when it comes to quality, I definitely highly suggest the L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay Mask. That's the product for you. So yeah, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed all of my tips for all of my favorites so far from coming out of spring and going into summer. I hope you guys do enjoy these products and try them out yourselves. If you do try them, please let me know, or tag me in a picture or tag me in a post. My social medias will be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my other social media sites. I love you guys so much. Y'all are amazing and so supportive. Y'all are literally my family. I love talking to y'all so much. I wish I could talk to y'all all day and just spend all day talking to y'all. I love you guys so much, and please don't forget to stay tuned every week, Monday at 11 a.m. Central. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.